My bill before was running anywhere from 150 to $210 a month. Okay, and my current bills are anywhere from $5 to $3. It's very, it depends on how many sunny days you had, but it never goes much over. I think the biggest one we've had since we got the solar system was $8. That's the biggest bill we've had, and I mean, gee, that's nothing compared to what I was paying before. So it's been well worth it to do it. The reason I am thankful that I went with Peak Power and I am very thankful that I used them is that just they're so professional in the way they've done their business, and their business model is set up very well, and they take very good care of their customers, and it's really important. I mean, you can't do any kind of contracting and not take care of your customers because it reflects on you. But I'm very thankful that I went with Peak Power, and I'm very happy with the results. And to this day, if I have a question or something seems to be not working quite right, I call them and they take care of it immediately. So I'm very thankful for that, and I'm glad I made the decision to go with them.